What if you can make viral monetizable shorts like travel, AI story shorts, viral AI history videos, science videos, and many more like these big and successful channels in just one click using one of the best AI tools in the market right now? Before starting to take a look at a sample video of what this tool is capable of.
Ever wondered what truly fuels successful people? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the power of daily motivation. It's the secret weapon that keeps dreams alive. When you wake up, set a clear intention for the day. Visualize your biggest goal and feel as if it's already achieved. Take small but consistent steps. Celebrate each win, no matter how tiny. Stay away from negativity, it drags you down.
Yes, this video was created with an AI tool. And today, I will share the method of making viral shorts and reels using AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. This is David and you are watching AI Lockup. Okay, to create short videos, today, I will use an AI tool called Clipwise. To make your viral video, you have just to follow 3 steps. Input your idea and select your style, customize and preview, and finally download and share. I will put the link in the description, just head over there and create your account. Once you are successfully logged in, your interface will be like this. Now to start creating the video, first, select the video language. I will go with English. After selecting the language, we have to enter the video idea in this box. Always try to enter a detailed idea. For example, I want to generate a horror story. So I am typing a horror story about the Book of Shadows. The story should be like a book enthusiast finds an ancient, forbidden book in a library that contains dark rituals, and once opened, it unleashes sinister forces. This AI video generator can create a captivating story with this simple prompt. But my suggestion is to use a detailed prompt. Then you will get the best result. Okay, after entering the video idea, we have to set the visual theme. Here you will find a vast number of visual themes, such as watercolor, oil painting, manga style, cinematic, classic comic, and many more. The visual theme is very important. So, we have to choose it very carefully. As I am creating a horror story video, I think the darkenicity will be perfect for us. After selecting the visual theme, hit the Generate button. Now Clipwise will generate the script and images for your video. And here it is, the script and images have been generated according to the scene. We can customize both the image and script if needed. The script is customizable. You can edit the script from every scene. And if you want to customize the image, then click on the Edit button from here. Now you can customize the prompt and then hit the Generate button to generate a new image. In this same way, customize the script and images if needed. Okay, after customizing the script and image, scroll down and come to the voiceover section. Here we have to choose one voice actor. Click on See All to find all the voiceovers. Now you set filters to find the perfect one. As I am making a horror story, I need a deep voice. Set the filters and then listen to some of them. Once you find the best one, select the voice actor and then hit the Next button. Now Clipwise will generate the voiceover in sync with the subtitle. It will take some time. Let's first forward that part. And our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Emma, a book enthusiast, stumbles upon a dusty tome in a forgotten corner of the library. The title, The Book of Shadows, whispers a chilling promise. As Emma opens the book, a wave of cold air washes over her. Eerie whispers echo through the room and the camera lens distorts, as if pulled into darkness. Emma frantically scribbles symbols in her journal, visions of twisted rituals and grotesque figures flashing before her eyes.
You can see that it generates quite good videos with outstanding voiceover and captions. We can customize the caption from here. First of all, we can change the caption position. I will set it to the center. Next, the active caption color. If you want to change the active caption color, just select the color and the caption color will change live. Next, the caption font. Here you can change the font of your video caption. Next, you can add an overlay from here. Try different overlays and then choose the best one. After adding the overlay, come to the background music. You will find a vast number of royalty-free BGM here. Listen to some of them and then choose the best one fit for your video. I will try to add a mysterious music clip. After adding the music clip, adjust the volume of the BGM. After everything is set, hit the Next button. Now Clipwise will take some time to render the video. Let's first forward to this part. And our video is ready. Now you can review the video. And if need further customization, then hit the edit button from here. And if you are satisfied with the video, click on the download button to save the video to your device. Alright, our video is ready. Let's have a look at the video.
Emma, a book enthusiast, stumbles upon a dusty tome in a forgotten corner of the library. The title, The Book of Shadows, whispers a chilling promise. As Emma opens the book, a wave of cold air washes over her. Eerie whispers echo through the room and the camera lens distorts, as if pulled into darkness. Emma frantically scribbles symbols in her journal, visions of twisted rituals and grotesque figures flashing before her eyes. Disembodied voices whisper from the shadows. Objects move on their own. Emma's fear intensifies, her behavior becoming increasingly erratic. The rituals from the book manifest, shadows twisting into monstrous forms. Emma's world descends into chaos. Emma, consumed by the darkness, reads from the book, her voice a hollow whisper. The camera flickers and goes black.
I think it's a great video in a short time. Not only the scary story, you can create this kind of amazing video in any niche with this amazing AI video generator. Like this, it's a self-improvement video. So, with this AI tool now you can create any kind of video. Now the question is, how costly this AI tool is. Here is the surprise. You can use it for free. Yes, Clipwise allows you to create 2 videos with a watermark for free. But if you are serious about content creation, you must go with a Viral Toolkit plan. There are 2 Viral Toolkit plans. First, the Viral Toolkit Lite. In this plan, you can create 10 HD videos without a watermark with unlimited images and edits, video length customization, and general commercial terms with other features. And you have to pay only $19 per month. Next, in the Viral Toolkit plan you have to pay $29 per month, and you can create 20 HD videos without a watermark with all other features. That's really a reasonable price. So, try the tool at least one time. Link in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Clipwise AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!